2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play the classic Yellow by Coldplay. An old favorite of mine. I can't believe I haven't done a lesson of this already. I listened a lot to this track when I lived in London. Anyway, enough of that. We're in standard tuning, except the high E string. That's the special sound of this song. We gotta tune the E string to a D sharp. So take 4th fret on the B string. So is that right? Yeah. And tune the E string after that. So we want a D sharp. This is gonna sound like this. And we have all these cool chords. It's not really bar chords because we don't have to do that, but it looks like bar chords. So for the B, the song is in B, we got first finger on 7, 9, pinky, and 8 for the second finger. Leave B and E string open. Okay. For the verses, we wanna, this is the chord, and then we wanna move that to same shape to 2nd fret. And then we wanna play an E major. This song has mostly downstrokes. Can do it a little. That's the verses, and then for the I'm going to show you the intro later. For the chorus, we go to E, and then we have a new chord. Let's see, that's 6, on the A string, 6 on the D, and a 4 on the G string. And then we want to go back to that F sharp. So E, A flat, F sharp. I guess I didn't show you the F sharp yet. Yeah, I did. So let's do it from the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp. E. B. Let's go to the chorus. E major. Yeah, I gotta decide what it is. Is it A flat or let's call this G sharp and F sharp, okay? I think that's the correct way to say it. For the intro, we got a little sus thing happening, and this chord is a little bit tricky. So we don't want to do this. That's very hard. We want to add on the G string. We want to add that note. So I think the best thing is to do is move these two guys down to the D string and the G string, and then mute the A string. So mute. That's the kicks in with the electric guitar. F sharp. E. B. Chorus, come on. Change chords. Nobody's talking about this. They go to an A, which is 5th fret, same shape, and then they end on E major, like that. Cool. For the G sharp, this minor chord. When I go to the F sharp, I keep this shape on the A string, and then I add my thumb. I like doing that, so that's 4, 4, 3, 2. overall, this is a pretty simple song, I think. It sounds more advanced than it is, but anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more great songs. Be safe. Take it easy. Thank you.